It's the boy Night in the building, baby. Tell him. You already know. Tell him. Money kill. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your brake pads on a 2007 Toyota Avalon Limited. And first you need to remove your tire, of course. It's like a 21 millimeter to take off the lug nuts and jack it up, of course. And it's a 14 millimeter to take off the bolt to remove the brake pads. So it's pretty easy and simple, guys. No hard do's. So if you want to learn how to do that, just watch this video, guys. So this is a 14 millimeter to take off that bolt. So 14. Take off that bolt, guys. Really easy and simple. Pop that loose. And you're going to also need a flathead. Make sure it's a strong flathead like this one. And to push back in that push in or push out that piston, guys. You're going to really need to push that piston all the way out. And they sell tools for that at the auto store, but I didn't have the tool, so we had to use the piston. We have to use a flathead to push that out. And I had to do a voiceover, of course, because music is all over the place, so I had to. So it's pressed all the way in. You remove the pads. Look at this. That's done. That was basically metal to metal contact. Those are done. Oh yeah, and the pads that I gotten, guys, I always make sure that I use ceramic pads. Never go for the semi-metallic, which is a cheaper one. Those are not gonna last long, guys. My brakes usually run me like a year, and sometimes it could last you longer. Depends how you treat your vehicle, how you run your vehicle. You know, here in Florida, it's like a lot of stops and lights and stuff, and you know, depends on your driving style. Make sure you have some brake cleaners that you spray it up, clean up all those dirt that's in the end, so your brakes don't squeal and make all that extra noise when you're driving or when you're braking. You want to have your brakes sound quiet as possible, you know, like the professionals. Just that you're a professional too, because you're doing it yourself, so why not? So yeah, you get your brake cleaner, spray it up, remove all that dirt at the end, because you don't want to hear no squealing while driving, or you know. And also you could remove, because in the box when you purchase your brake pads, it's going to come with some new ones, and you just replace them. You just replace them, put them back in order. It's real easy and simple. It also comes with like a gel. I think it's like anti-seize, so you don't when you do it, it don't lock up on you. It's the first one at the bottom. And then put the other one on top. It's like, I say it takes like probably about 5 to 10 minutes tops. It's easy and simple to install. Then you basically grab the new pads out of the box. And as I said, it comes with this gel. You could just put it at the end, like at the tip of the brake pads. Once you pop that gel package open, you just lubricate like the end of it. I'm gonna show you guys. Just put some at the end just to get a lubrication, so we'll have no hard time. You don't want to hear no squealing noise, and easy to replace it basically. Next time when this one goes out, it's easy to remove. It's just like so. Press it in, and you get the other one. Do the same thing. And the brakes is different from the one in the rear. These are the front, so don't think that is going to be the same procedure as the one in the front, as the one in the back, like the one in the back. Nope, it's different, guys. I'm gonna have to do a video about that one to show you guys how to do it. It's a little similar, but the pads is smaller. There you have it, guys. You lubricate the bolt with the NECs or whatever gel they give in the box. Lubrication, so you could easily get that bolt off, and it just lubricate it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. If you don't want to spend no money, you will save a lot of money by doing your own brakes. Just make sure you don't grind your brake pads all the way down, because it's more expensive when your rotors go out. So you don't want your pads metal to metal contact to basically grind down your rotor. Getting a new rotor is way more expensive. It's like over $200. I'm guessing you probably could find it cheaper on eBay, but I'm just saying it's better to, once you feel that your brakes is going, you know it's time to change them, because the longer you wait, the more you drive on them, you just wear and tear the vehicle even more. You will have to end up getting brakes and rotors is another job. It's not difficult, but it's another job. Will take even longer. And there you go, guys. Easy and simple. And you just push it back in, put back in that bolt, and just tighten it back up. That's an easy job. I make it look easy, huh? Real easy and simple. Do it yourself. You will save money. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please like this video, and please share this out. And you just put your tires back on, and there you go. You pump the brakes, make sure it's tight.